Hey guys, it's me Natalie, and as many of you guys may know, Rosalina and I are identical twins.
I'm prettier though.
So today we're gonna be testing how strong our twin telepathy connection is. We have this canvas right here, which is gonna separate what Rosalina is doing versus what I'm doing, so neither of us can see what each of us is doing. So we will be given various slime ingredients, 3 at a time, to see how strong our twin telepathy connection really is. Comment below whose slime you think is gonna turn out better. Is it hashtag Team Natalie or hashtag Team Rosalina? And give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to be making slime with both of us today.
God, I've never played with slime before.
Oh my god, that's right. I'm excited to see your reaction.
I'm going to win.
Okay, there's nothing to win. There's no prize or anything, so.
Okay, bebés, let's get started.
All right, let's get started. Okay, guys, so for round 1.
Okay, so what am I supposed to be doing here?
Okay, so for this round, we're gonna be picking out a bowl that we're gonna be using to create our slime, and it's kind of obvious which one we're gonna pick, right?
Yeah, this one.
Okay, guys, ready for the reveal? 3, 2, 1. Rosalina, that doesn't make sense.
What you mean? This is tall and pretty like Rosalina.
Okay, how are you gonna mix everything in that?
Whatever, Natalia. I'm just living la vida loca.
Okay, guys, so for this round, we're gonna have 3 different types of glues, and I'm gonna go for this one right here.
I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm going to go for this one.
Ready for the reveal? 3, 2, 1. Of course. Oh my god. Honestly, I don't think anything we choose is gonna be the same.
How could you say that? Our twin telepathy connection is strong.
Yeah, we'll see.
Like Rosalina smells like strawberries.
Round 3. We have 3 different types of glues, and I think for this one, you know what? I'm gonna close my eyes to really test out our twin telepathy.
Oh my god, I will too.
Guys, ready for the reveal? In 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, Natalia, just see, we really are twins.
We just had to really close our eyes to really connect. Oh my god. All right, here we go. Okay, so for this one, we have 3 different types of food coloring, so just a random color.
Me too, I'm going to pick this one.
Okay, ready for the reveal? 3, 2, 1. Whoa, again? Oh my god, Rosalina, are you peeking?
Oh my god, Natalia, of course not. I don't even care that much.
I'm gonna add a few drops in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This color might not look that nice, actually. 5th round, so we're gonna be picking different types of beads, and I like this one right over here. Okay, ready for the reveal? 3, 2, 1.
Ay, Dios mío, we keep picking the same things. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's kind of weird.
Hermana, no, it's not.
We are twins.
So I'm gonna pour this one in.
Oh my god, this one is so pretty.
I love it.
Love it.
Love it.
6th round, we have beautiful glitters, and I'm gonna go for this one right here.
This one.
Okay, ready for the reveal? 3, 2, 1. I had a feeling you would pick that color.
So you didn't pick the color that I would pick?
Yeah, exactly.
So technically our twin telepathy is strong because we would pick the same color.
Yeah, for sure. Round 7. I'm pretty sure I know which one I'm gonna pick for this one.
Well, I always see people choose this one, so I'm going to pick this one.
All right, ready for the reveal? 3, 2, 1. So I see we both went the safe route.
Oh, I'm scared. I know we're going to have to touch this soon, right?
Oh my god, yes, I'm so excited to get mixing.
Ay, hermana, it's just slime. Oh my god, chill out.
All right, you guys, the last round, the moment of truth. So let's go with this one right here.
I'll go with this one.
Okay, ready for the reveal? 3, 2, 1. Of course you picked that one because it says magical.
Hi, Natalia, you know me so well.
Okay, yeah, so let's just start mixing. I'm excited.
Oh, mine is going to turn out so much better.
We'll see about that.
Oh, Natalia, I got some tricks from the Queen of Slime, Karina Garcia. Do you remember that?
Yeah, and how you embarrassed me.
Oh, Natalia, not everything is about you. Ay, Dios mío.
So who's turned out better? Comment below.
Ay, Dios mío, well, that was fun. I can't wait to make slime with my little taquito. Ooh, this feels so nice. Oh my god.
Well, I'm glad you enjoyed it, Rosalina.
So how did we do?
I mean, I think our twin telepathy connection is pretty strong, girl.
Yes, we have a strong twin telepathy connection. Guys, I love my little Rosalitas. I'll see you next time, okay? I really have to go. Ciao. Besos.
Bye, Rosalina. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and let me know down below in the comments what other slime or Rosalina related videos you want to see. Make sure you hit that subscribe button right over here to become a part of the family, and hit that little bell so that YouTube notifies you of new videos. If you want more behind the scenes content, then check out our Audi Squad membership, where you can get amazing badges, prizes, and just like a lot of behind the scene content. I love you guys so much. I want to wish you an amazing day, and don't forget to live weird or die normal. Bye. In case you missed it, Audi Squad memberships are now live. Oh my gosh, I invite you to join our exclusive squad by hitting the join button down below. If you don't see it, you can also check it out in the description down below. It's pretty much a secret club where you're going to be unlocking so many secrets to my life, sisterhood with Rosalina, very personal Q&As, live streams monthly, pictures that you've never before seen, videos that you've never before seen, and pretty much just sneak peeks into the next chapter of Rosalina's life, my life, some merch discounts, and content made specially just for you. If you guys are interested, all you gotta do is click that little join button down below or the link in the description. Love you guys.